Namaste, my name is Jyoti Daya and welcome to Learning with JD. Now let's see what is the role of a project management office. What do you mean by a PMO? A PMO is at an organization level. It is an organization structure that standardizes the project related governance processes and facilitates the sharing of resources, methodology and tools and techniques. So that is the role of the project management office. Project management office takes care at an organization level to ensure that the resources are well distributed wherever the project is of high importance, that resources allocated to that project. What are the methodology, what are the tools and techniques that will be used for a particular project? That's the role of a project management office. Now there are several types of PMOs, typically three: supportive, controlling and directive. Let's see all three of them in detail. Now what is a supportive type of a PMO? A supportive type of a PMO provides consultative role only. It generally provides consultative role. Whenever the project manager needs some support, it will come to the PMO and ask for some support. It typically provides training material, templates, all the best practices of the previous projects. All these are the supportive documents that the supportive PMO provides. The degree of control of this PMO is very low on your project. You have a higher authority on the project and the PMO has a lower control on the project. Now what is the second category? Second is controlling. They support and require compliance through various means. They keep on always knowing as to what is happening on the project. The degree of the control of this type of PMO is moderate. It's not that it is very low also. It's not that their job is just to provide templates, but they will always know, or they will always try to support your project. And they will also understand what is the compliance happening. Are you on compliance and what are you doing with the risk? Now that is a controlling PMO. Now what is directive? They take complete control of the project by directly managing the projects. There are some critical strategic level projects which are often managed by a directive PMO type of an setup. Now these projects are under directive PMO. Here the control of the PMO is very high, right? Now let's see some of the primary function of the PMO, what the PMO is supposed to do. It manages the shared resources. We spoke about this before as well. Resources is one of the key things in any organization. So it manages the shared resources across all the projects. It helps in identifying and developing the project management methodology. Now whatever changes, it happens from time to time. So there is a methodology which is there in an organization. Will it go on forever and ever? No, right? There is something that will always keep on changing. With the change in time, the best practices will keep on changing, the standards will keep on changing, the processes will keep on changing. Now that is the job of a PMO. It will help in coaching, mentoring, providing training, support and providing the oversight of the entire industry. At an industry level also, you will get a lot of support from the PMO. If you need some information as to what your peer competition is doing, you should always approach your PMO, and the PMO will be very happy to share with you an oversight as to what and how the industry is shaping up. Yeah. Some more primary functions of the PMO is monitoring on the compliance with the project management standards, policies, procedures and templates by means of project audits. Now PMO's job is to ensure that the project audits are done. They will ensure that the templates are used. They will ensure that the procedures are followed, right? So that is the primary function of a PMO. They will do these activities. Developing and managing the project policies, procedures, templates. They are the one who are going to prepare and manage and develop the project policies. Now it can be any type of PMO setup. It can be directive, it can be supportive, it can be controlling, but these are the primary functions. They will follow all these functions, right? They will be coordinating the communication across the project. So they will definitely follow these functions that they have to do. It can be under any setup. Understood? All right. So thank you for watching today's video, guys. That is it from my end. I request you to subscribe to my channel to never miss a video. Till then, keep studying and all the best.